we are out here today on the reef making the most of the really nice weather. Alright, so we are just packing the boat. We're going to head out spearfishing in Rick's Eden Craft. Got some kangaroos in the backyard here. Hey buddy. Sometimes I even wake up to those kangaroos having a brawl in the backyard. So I sit out here, drink my coffee and watch them punching on in the backyard. This is sometimes what I wake up to. So yeah, we'll finish getting the boat ready and then we're going to get out on the water. Good morning everyone. We are out here today on the reef making the most of the really nice weather. I think today's the last of the good weather before the wind blows up for a while. So we're out here doing a bit of spearfishing. I'm getting right into it. So Ricky here is going to be teaching me some stuff. We've just stopped here. He's going to quickly jump in and check a bommy on our way out to where we're actually going to be going. When we get to that location, he's actually going to anchor up. Yeah? He said the viz is really good today. So he's just over there, so I'm keeping a bit of a distance. So apparently he can see a big Queensland groper down there. I've never seen one of those, but he's going to get some footage for me. Alright guys, he's got something. Good job. Good job.
For the stress traffic until 1700
There you go. 10 minutes into the day and we've already got a coral trout. Alright, he's only just jumped back in and he's already calling me back over, so what have you done? Rough on the gear. Right, I'm gonna get ready now because it's time to get in the water, so hopefully I can shoot a trout. Ricky said it's pretty quiet down there today, so we'll see how we go. Good job! It's a cattle dog cod, guys. They're really good at eating. Hey! Stop. I'm gonna chuck him in the esky and we'll get back into it.
Girl.
Shut up. So we're just about to jump in for the second time and we're gonna have a look at some of these bommies around here, make our way around, check out those ones over there and then come back, and hopefully I can shoot a fish this time. I'll take a little bit more time this time around. Round 2. Alright, so this moment right here is my GoPro's final moments. I forgot to put the protective housing on and the door was slightly open. So not only did I destroy my GoPro, I missed Rick shooting a huge tusky. I missed all of that. Good job. But yeah, this spot is so much more lively, so we're going to get back in and get stuck into it, and I'm going to shoot something. Ricky shot everything that's in the esky right now, so...
Good.
Yay!
Nice work. You shot a tusky.
I'm so happy. Yeah, and I didn't really take my time.
No, you just smoked it. Look at you. Out of your spear and shit.
Because I've never shot a tusky before, like I said. So, oh, don't say that. He's like, put it next to mine. Oh, this is not a competition, alright? What? Dolphins! Right there! There's literally dolphins coming in my direction. Holy! Right, so we jumped back in the water and couldn't find much going on after I shot my tusky. That was pretty cool with those dolphins that were swimming right near the boat. At one point I was in the water and they actually started coming towards us. I thought I was going to get the footage of my life, but yeah, at the last minute they turned away and I didn't get any on the GoPro underwater of them. But swimming with wild dolphins is something I want to do so bad, and I was so close to doing it.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jasmine Hardy here with the floating gear again. Heading away from
Righto, I'm ready for my final dive of the day. We're going to have a quick look. We're going to have a quick 15-minute dive, and if we can't get anything, we're going to make our way home. But we're just going to anchor up here on top of the shallows and just swim all around here and the deeper edges and try and see what we can find. gonna punch it back now. It was only a short, quick trip today, but we still managed to do it all right. So we're just pulling into this island on the way home. It's called Low Isles. Wow, this looks amazing. All right, so this is the place that we're going to be cooking the tusky that I shot for lunch. Have a go at that. It's called Wudja Falls or Bloomfield Falls, and I've never been here before, but there's no one else here, so we have this whole place to ourselves. Wow. It's actually not a very far walk from the car park, so you can park the car back up there and then walk maybe 500 meters to the falls. As you can see, it's a pretty rocky walk, so I'm trying not to trip over. All right, so this is where we're going to be cooking. That's our view. How good is that? We're not going to get close to the water because there can absolutely be saltwater crocodiles here, so we're staying a bit back. But this is the Bloomfield River, so yeah, we're going to be safe up here. Got Judge over here telling me I'm chopping it up too small. Is that big enough for you? Okay, so like I said, I've never been here before, but I brought this picnic rug because I thought we were going to be able to set it out somewhere really nice and comfortable. But there's like sharp, pointy rocks everywhere. So that's currently what the picnic blanket is on. Not very comfortable, is it?
It's comfy.
So I didn't actually bring any tongs, so I'm going to have to somehow flip these. I don't know how. Little helper. So we get this salad from Coles. It's honestly so good, but it's always sold out. So we're just going to chuck that in the wraps. Yum. Koza, say hello to everyone. Hey? So toasting the wraps makes it taste so much better. I honestly love making fresh fish wraps. They're really good if you're out on the boat because you need minimal ingredients and they're just quick and easy. So like I've said in previous videos, you don't need nice fancy recipes for fresh fish. They taste good enough on their own, so a nice simple wrap is just perfect. And that's a wrap. I honestly had so much fun spearfishing. I can't wait to get in the water a bit more and take my time a bit more. I've got a lot of hobbies already, but I can tell that spearfishing is going to be right up there from now on. Really hope you guys love the spearfishing episode. Definitely going to be seeing a lot more of those. So yeah, once again, hope you loved the video and I'll see you guys on the next one.